I'm now at the bus stop, hoping to get a bus back to my home. So you can see that the bus stop looks something like that. Yeah, basically the public transport here is quite accessible. You can just check through Google and you will know which bus stop to go to get to your destination. Hi, today I'm going to share with you what are some of the things you should know when traveling in Metro Vancouver. There are a few types of cards you can use. One is the day pass, which will cost you $11.25 to travel the entire day. And there's also the stored value card, which we call the compass card. And you will have to pay a deposit of $6, which is refundable when you return it. And there's also the monthly pass. You can use this when traveling by public buses, by SkyTrain, Z-Bus, as well as the West Coast Express. So for the West Coast Express, we are actually looking at a railway that will bring you directly to downtown Vancouver or the city of Mission. The Metro Vancouver is divided into 3 zones. We have Zone 1, which is on the east side of Metro Vancouver, and you have Zone 2, which is on the north and the south, and the Zone 3 will be on the west side. Zone 1 is the cheapest, which costs you $3.15 if you pay by cash, and $2.55 if you pay by the compass card. There is no need to tap out when you are traveling by public bus because it's a one fare zone. Whereas if you are traveling by SkyTrain or a Z-Bus, you have to tap out so that the correct fare will be deducted. Just a side note for those who intend to drive in Metro Vancouver, you can actually rent a car for $22 to $35 a day depending on the kind of car that you choose. And in terms of insurance, you're looking at somewhere around $30 a day. So all in all, you will have to fork out about $50 to $60 a day to rent a car in Metro Vancouver. So one thing to take note of for Singapore drivers is that you do not have to convert your driving license to an international one, and so that will save you $20. I hope all these tips are useful to you, especially if you intend to travel in Metro Vancouver. Top up your card in terms of the value, right, depending on what you want. So you can actually base on this to get your card stored up. This is a bus interchange where you can see that the bus stops, they go by bay 1 and then they have bay 2, bay 3. So that's how they locate each of these bus stops. Okay, so my bus is here.